Got 40 pieces of B7000 adhesive multifunction glue, and I'm going to make a condiment storage bin. I'm going to be using 3 cups, and I'm seeing how the cups fit. Now this glue is very adhesive, it's very strong, so I just punctured the hole so that I can get it out. And I like that this is a multifunction glue and can be stretched to any length so that it doesn't break. And also, I love that it can be used for DIY, craft, glass, wooden, can be used for manicures, and it can also be used for jewelry making. One thing I love about it is that it really acts fast. So once I glue it, everything sticks in and I can position it very quickly, and I can now cover it up, and this is my storage container. I can put my ketchup, my hot sauce, my Indomie spices, and it worked really well. I absolutely love how it works, and I absolutely love my craft.